let's start live trading. All right, so this is the relative equal lows that we were talking about over here. All of these that have to get swept at the open. I don't know, I just feel like if we go back um, up into this fair value gap, we're going to start shorting. That's why I'm willing to put one there. Targets. And 966 right here. Let's see how it reacts to this fair value gap and to its midpoint. But with the news that we got today, this morning, the pre-reading, NFP pre-reading, and GDP, it didn't look too good. Now my question is, where do I put my second position? Probably going to be around here. Okay. Let's go back in a 5-minute. So I'm showing this because we broke below. We broke below and closed below. And we just tapped into this fair value gap over here too. There you go. That's what I thought. Stop's probably going to be above here, above here. Let's see. Let's see how we react to this. Yeah, it's a little too much, right? Like it. Let's go for a 1-to-1. All right, 1-to-1, everybody today. Well, a little bit more. Yeah, so narrative was very bearish. Let's see what we could get out of this trade. The numbers came out terrible, and this is going to be our move, I think. I knew that it wouldn't start picking back up this whole drive up because it's. Let me show you guys. You guys know. GDP, terrible. ADP, non-farm employment, not good at all. So that is why I continued shorting on the first presented fair value gap that it, well, on the first fair value gap there was after the open. Okay, off we go. Now we just hit the top of that big 4-hour fair value gap. Let's go and show you guys 4-hour fair value gap. We made a new low, so I mean stops. I'm gonna bring back stops break even. That's what I like to do when we make new lows, with a little bit extra for commissions. For the moment, market's reacting nicely to the news, in line to what we would expect. And right now we are in this large 4-hour fair value gap right here. We just tapped the top. So let's go back to the minute and see how we react from there. I'm gonna go to the washroom. I'll be back in a second. Keep an eye on the markets for me. Right on. Good job, market. Did what we expected. Look, if this goes down, we'll keep on trailing. Keep on going down, I'll trail. Now I'm going to start trailing, everyone. I'm going to start trailing tight. So now stops. Stops are probably going to be right above here. Yeah, right here. Depends on how it closes. Hmm. Gonna maybe secure a little bit more profits on this one. Okay, it's bouncing. I'll leave our stops right there. I would like to, yeah, it's reversing. Let's see. Let's put stops back to, I would really love to see it go down to that take profit. It'd be so nice. Now, if these candles go below here, I'm going to be trailing to this high. If we don't get to, come back up. Come on, I can see you go a little bit lower. It was a big drive down though, so I mean, ideally, I would like to see this fair value gap hold, so no close above this high, and I'd see it do a nice little push down now. I'd like to see it. We are at the top of the bullish breaker, so it's like a point where it can reverse, but most of the times it doesn't really uh, reverse at the top of a bullish breaker. It's gaining back the territory very fast. Okay. This is why I put a that's why I put it over here. It's gonna be the last line of defense for us. Right here. If it passes this, then if it passes that, I think we'll go higher. It's like a fair value gap combined with a volume imbalance, which is nice to see. Let's see. Well, we're currently we did a volume imbalance exactly where the yeah. Okay. Let's see if candle bodies break above this. If they do, then it's not too good for our position. But at least we trailed stops in profit by 0.13%. Now we want to see it come all the way back down over here. Which I doubt will happen. It's probably going to come back all the way up over here. That's why I chose this as our last line of defense. If it pops that, then pretty much toast. Beautiful. Now we're playing in this for yep. We want to break below this, like that, exactly like that. If we break below this and we stay below, lows will be revisited, I think. And I do think that it could be used as a inversion to add on your shorts right here. I don't want to add on my shorts. I'm pretty good in profits right now. But if we make a new low, I will be trailing my stop to this high. Let's see. Um, I think I'm going to start trailing my stop over here at the high of this candle. If this closes black, I'll trail at the top over here. I don't know if it would be early there, but I would feel comfortable doing that. As we said, right over here, trailing at 0.35% in profit. What we have to watch out now is this order block. It's bouncing off the middle. I'd like to see it close within this order block, if possible. See, that's going to be a tough one. Probably just going to trail at these highs. Nah, you know what? We gotta follow the plan. I'll put it here. If it stops us out, so be it, right? It would recuperate the loss that we had yesterday. I do believe that we could hit that take profit over here. And new low will give us the opportunity to trail our stops a little bit more to the top of this candle. There you go. Break below. That's right. That's good. All right. Trailed at the top of this candle. 0.43 in profit. It's looking very nice. If it closes bearish, I'll trail to this candle. Let's see if it closes bearish. Yeah, close bearish. Top of this candle. Maybe 0.67% in profit if it closes us. Lower. That's right. Now if this closes bearish, trail to this high. There you go. So when you see a move going, usually the highs respect each other, right? I'd like to see this one break just a little bit more down. But if it doesn't, it's fine. We have point. Let's see. There you go. Took us out. Fantastic. A little point to 7%. It was a great trade. We were offside for 2 minutes. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3. We were offside for 3 minutes, which is not that bad. 3 minutes, and let's see how many points we harvested. Right here, and we got out right here. 132 points. And I was planning on getting out here. About. So it was a 1-to-1. But I trailed my stop. It became a how do you say? It became a risk-free trade very early on. So right when it passed these lows, I brought it back break even. I hope you guys enjoyed this trading session. It was a short one, but it was a good one. And see you guys all tomorrow for the pre-market analysis. Nasdaq dropped by 9 a.m. and live trading every day from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for watching the live. Have a great day.